In this quick video, I want to show you how to take the Alendronate Sodium Tablets prescribed to your doctor. It's fairly simple to do. So they usually come in little boxes like this with 70 milligrams, and it's usually 4 per box. And it's used for like a monthly supply. So as you can see here, you'll get 4 in all, little tablets like this, 70 milligrams, and you take it once a week. And so this is for my mom, and right here tells you the reasons why you would need to take it, and it's prescribed from your doctor. Now just keep in mind that this is you need to follow your doctor's advice. This video is for only information and entertainment purposes only, so make sure you follow the directions and the advice from your doctor. In order to take it, the only thing you have to do is you would take it the same time every week. So you take 1 a week. So 1 tablet per week, and you pick a time, and you want to do it in the morning time, and you pick a day. So let's say, for example, today is Monday, and so we're taking it Monday morning. So you want to take the next one, which would be the next following Monday. So this is a month's supply, so every Monday we'll be taking it around the same time in the morning. And you take it on an empty stomach, and that you're ready for the day. You take it on an empty stomach, and you drink it with 6 to 8 ounces of water. So this is my mom, and she does take this tablet once a week. And so what she's going to do, she's going to drink a full 6 to 8 ounces of water. You do not take any other vitamins or medications along with it. This is the only one that you take for that morning for 30 minutes. And you want to make sure that you are not lying down. So you want to make sure you're at least sitting up. You can walk around and do light chores and everything, just as long as you drink your 6 to 8 ounces of water with no food, no other pills, medications, or anything. Then after 30 minutes, after 30 minutes, you can continue with your day. However, you do need to eat a meal. All right, and if you want to lay back down, you can, but you got to make sure you eat breakfast before you lay back down after you take it from 30 minutes. All right, and so again, you take it once a week, same time every week, in the morning, on an empty stomach, with 6 to 8 ounces of water. And then for 30 minutes, you sit straight up, or you can walk around, but you cannot lay down. And again, that's pretty much it. Make sure you subscribe. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section. I'll do my best to answer.